Hey, what's up guys? So just wanted to do a quick video to kind of clarify how you actually set the Ka-band segments here in the Redline 360C and the Max 360C Mark II. It's a little bit confusing. I know most people are probably used to doing it here in the app, definitely the more convenient way. But with this latest update, you can no longer go into Escort Live and adjust the different band settings option. Now you can use Drive Smarter with the Max 360C Mark II. It is more complicated with the Redline. I think it's supposed to be supported, but I know a lot of people are having issues getting it running in Drive Smarter. And so let's just go ahead and take a look at how you set up the Ka-band segments directly in the detector here. So as far as adjusting our settings manually, we're going to press and hold these two buttons here, sensitivity and brightness, together to go into the menu. Then we're going to keep pressing the sensitivity button here like this to scroll through the top level menu. And then we can press the brightness button to start scrolling through the sub menu, which we are going to need for our Ka-band segments. So press and hold both buttons like this into the preferences, and now I can start scrolling here with this button on the left. What is it? Sensitivity. And we're just going to scroll all the way until we get to this option here, which is Band Enables Modified. Then I'm going to press the brightness button over like that, and I'm going to start scrolling through this sub menu. So you see right now I have K-band turned off, but I have my different K-band segments turned on, and it's going to be the same for Ka-band. So right now I have segments, whoops, it'll kick me out of the menu. All right, so I've got my different segments, 1, 2, and 3 on, and 4 is off. Now let's go over to the other options. So for Ka-band, let's go ahead and turn it on like this. And you'll notice when I scroll through, I don't have any options here for my Ka-band segments, right? It goes straight to Ka-band pop, no Ka-band segmentations. So that is going to basically scan all of Ka-band. It's Ka-band super wide. Now, as far as the confusing bit, you're going to want to turn Ka-band off in order to access the different segments. Ka-band itself is not entirely turned off. It's now going to give you access to the different Ka-band segments. So if you want segments, for example, 2 on, we'll keep scrolling here with this right button, and then segments 4, 5, and 6 on. You can go in and turn the different segments on and off like you like. But the main thing here is that you're going to want to turn Ka-band off in order to first access the segments, but that doesn't mean that Ka-band is disabled. It just means that you have access to the band segmentation. I know it's kind of confusing because it sounds like you've got Ka-band turned off, but that's not the case unless you also disable all of the Ka-band segments. Now, this kind of stuff does vary by manufacturer. Like Uniden, for example, you have to have Ka-band on. For Escort, though, you do want Ka-band turned off, and then you're going to be able to go and access all of the different Ka-band segments. And so, yeah, if you see Ka-band turned off, don't worry, you haven't disabled Ka-band. Just go and double check the segments like that.